Hello everyone, welcome to Docker Network. In this tutorial, I will show you the process of step-by-step process of installing Oracle Database Level G, that is R2 on Ubuntu 15.04 and Ubuntu 14.0, that is 64-bit I am using. So I have Ubuntu 15.04 desktop, that is 64-bit, and you can also install in 14.04, 14.010 Debian, Linux Mint also. The same procedure, the same method you need to follow, that I'm going to show you. And what is you need to know about this, Ubuntu is like a system that now that are not in the list of Oracle 12c database supported, that means level G. So you should be careful while it is using. This used for mostly development, not as a production database server. So what is Oracle? Nothing but this Oracle database is a collection of data structures as unit, but the purpose of data is to store and give right information. We call this as a RDBMS, that is nothing but regional database management system, which was just a Oracle also. While comparing to other database solution, Oracle is one of the most powerful database management system, which give many features such as tunable, reliable, scalable. Oracle management costly is very less, mostly used for commercial purpose, almost banking, almost everywhere like banking, universities for research, commerce, related department, etc. So hardware requirement, you need to have RAM should be, you need to have 2 GB RAM, and swap should be double of this, and disk space you need to have, that means free disk space you have 8 GB in the, and in that 2 extra you need to have one more of 1 GB of RAM extra, that is slash time you need to have free space. That should not be less than of 1 GB. If you have less than 1 GB, you will get errors during the installation. So it supports Linux, Debian, every operating system supported for this 32-bit, 64-bit, both are support for the installation. And the screen resolution must be 1024 into 76 resolution. So this is the final requirement you need to have. You can see the everything procedure about this. Here you can download, this is the link where you can download Oracle Level G R2 database from Oracle website for Ubuntu. This is after downloading, you need to copy /home/Oracle. Oracle nothing but we during the process we create a username with the Oracle name. In that you need to copy and paste this download file. So after that, this is the first installation part is there. First of all, we log into the root, then we'll update, then we are going to install the dependency. These steps and this command you will find below to my video in the description box. Every command, every type you can find here. Here you can see this is Oracle website. Just type in a browser your any oracle.com. After that, you need to click on download. After clicking on the download, you need to click on database. You can find this is the database. Click on the database. After that, it redirects to here on the page called is we need to click on this Oracle 12c. You can find this, scroll down and you find everything. Okay, after clicking on that one, you will become on the download page. Here you need to accept the license agreement before downloading. This one is the Oracle 12c. When you scroll down, you will find level G also R2. So here you can see Oracle database level G R2. You scroll down, you will find this is for your standard edition and enterprise edition, both are supported. So here you can download, this is a Linux supported. So for the Linux you can download for this supported Windows and also Linux Mint, other platform whichever you have you are using OS. Just download the file 1 and file 2, both the file you need to download here. And after downloading this the file, the size is showing here 2 GB almost. Whatever one, the file 1 will be having 1 GB, the file 2 will be having 2 GB, but both the file you need to download mandatory is a compulsory. After that you download, here is the Linux 32-bit, here is the 64-bit. So this one is a Z purpose, so don't download this one, you need to download here. Click on this file 1 and file 2 download. When you click on this one, it will be redirect to your login page. You can see here it is asking you you need to log in. After that you need to log in with the username password. If you don't have account, means you can create a account with the Oracle. After creating, it will be redirected to a login page. So please be sure to download this one, not to download other part here. You need to download this one, part 1 file 1 file 2 both, which I have already done. So here you can see Oracle level G R2 64-bit. I have downloaded this Linux level G R2 database. The size is 1 GB, 1.5 GB part 1 file 1 and file 2 is 1 GB. So here you can see both the file which I have downloaded in the Windows, and I have transferred this file into Ubuntu 15.04 is the latest version of Ubuntu that is coming of 15.0. This is the only beta one. So here you can see this is my WinSCP. I am using WinSCP. You can use any file transfer protocol whichever you like. So you need to just download this WinSCP. After downloading, it will be asked to create a it will ask you to enter a host name, that means IP address, then username and the password for this. If you have an account for this, you need to check before IP address. So you should check the IP address of this Ubuntu system. After checking the IP address, you need to log in with the in a WinSCP through. It will ask a IP address. You need to sign in, then username, enter, and then you need to locate the part here. After that, you need to upload and just save where you want to save this file. So it's transferring now. So now this has been transferred completely. Now we'll minimize this one. We'll check whether or not. So I am verifying whether it has downloaded or not. Type ls, press enter. See here we can see my Oracle OLG has been copied. So now we are moving to the steps. So here I am using putty to make access command usable freely. So I'm going to connect. So after entering IP address and the password, it's now asking. I'm going to use cloud network as my username, and enter the password of my cloud. So here I've been connected. So the first is I'm going to enter with the root now. Type as you have and enter the root password. So clear this one. I will check the first of all IP address of my system. You can see this is my IP address 192.168.0.1. Now I'm going to update it this one before installing dependency. Now the dependency I'm going to install it. So after the dependency I'm going to create some soft links for easy to start the installation. So we press enter. First dependency. This one is the second soft link. This one is the third. This one is the fourth, fifth, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is the last soft link I have been created. Now I am going to add the groups for this. I am creating 3 groups: own installer, DBA, nobody. After that I am going to create a password, then changing the permission, then creating directory. So the first group I have been adding own installer, then DBA, then nobody I am going to add. Nobody. This one is the user mode permission for the nobody. So this one is all for creating own installer. So here we need to add one more hyphen. So this is a command for creating own installer group. Press enter. So this one will create a directory for the /home. Now we need to do changes in the startup script. So logging with the root, type this the command. File already exit. So I have typed in the script changes for EI192.1. Press enter, type done. The script has been created for startup. Now we need to create a directory for the installation and change the owner to Oracle. So this is the command for and change the ownership. We need to modify the kernel parameter. So let us begin now. So after tapping the press enter, so I have been created the kernel parameter. Note the kernel.sh maximum value is the physical memory in the bytes. So in case my machine is having 2 GB, I am specifying 1 GB. Adjust the parameter as per your configuration. So we will check the kernel parameter by typing sudo sysctl-p. So now press enter. So you can see the parameter has been added exactly what we have been added. Now we need to have change the shell configuration. So this one is a shell configuration. I have taken the backup of this limits.config. In that one I am pasting a duplicate copy that shell script command, because to have a something goes wrong means we can have a backup of this one. So we need to extract both the file which I have downloaded, the file 1 and file 2. So I am going to log in with the cd/home oracle. In that I am going to extract the file. So login with the cd/home, type oracle, press enter, type ls to check. Here is the my Linux 64-bit is there. You can type architecture to check, whether 32-bit or 64-bit. See, you can check. And now I'm going to unzip the file. Type unzip, new space, type. So I'm going to inside this oracle folder. So here are the two path one. Type unzip Linux 1 of 2, press enter. Now it has been created. Now I'm going to unzip this second part. Press tab key and just remove from one, type 2 here, press tab to continue the command, press enter. Now the file has been unzipped. I will show, type ls to check. You can see here it's a folder name that has been created, database called, that is a folder. Now we will move to the next. Now we'll start the installation from home/oracle database, login as a su root, then we'll go to the permissions we'll give, then we'll start the installation process, that is a post installation process. Now type the permission not 777-r, then give a database name, press enter. So now we given the permission. Now we'll log in and we'll go inside the folder of database. Type ls. So here you can see a run installer is there. Now I am going to run this run installer. So here I type /run installer -ignore system config. Now after that to press enter. So after typing run.installer is passing this last step. I need to pass 3 steps here: temp space passes, swap space passes, and still it's passing the display color at least 56 color. So we are waiting for it. So here you can see it's loading Oracle database 12c. So we need to wait here still. So here you can see this is we came to the step 1 of 9 is there. So we came to the first step here. So if you want to provide email address for this Oracle supported, if you have email address you can provide. I don't have any email address. I am also unchecking this box. We should receive any updates. Click to next, and then it will ask you authentication, like if you do not provide any email address, you want to continue or not. So yes, press yes for this. Now we need to create an installation option. This is just you want to create or configure database, or you want to install database software only, or upgrade the existing database software. So select this option, create a database, configure, next, and then it's going to be select desktop you want or server classic. I'm selecting server classics option. For full options we'll get from the server, full authentic options. Select the types of this is need to check only by a single instant. Click next. We don't need to change here, typical also we don't need to change. Click next, and then we are step in a. So here we need to be careful checking this Oracle database path, where it is going, and software location also, where it is accessing the path, which path. We need to select the storage type. It is whether you want to select automatic storage type, select, and then we need to database for file location we need to give, and then after that just close this one, and then you can see we need to select database edition which we want, either enterprise, standard one. So which I have selected, this is Oracle database group DBA which we have created, or own installer you want. So this is one. We need to give a password, and the password we are giving should be alphabetic character, should not include any numerical words here in the password. So here you can see inverted directory should be showing, and the group name own installer we have been selected by default, and after that we are going to access this with the username. So we have been selected file system only. So this is the password and the groups. Okay, so click to next, and then verification is there. So it's showing the password does not meet the for our Oracle standard. If you want to displace, okay, we are giving the password a strong password, so just click on next. Again I have assigned the password. If you want to know about the password error, just go to this my website cloudnetwork.in, and in the search bar you need to type this admin password, enter is invalid, how to fix Oracle database, how to. When you scroll down you will find your detail how to give the password for this installation about this Oracle. So here you can see the password. If you want to continue, yes, and then we are moving to the step of creating our installation O inverter. Okay, this has been group own shall selected. Next, pre-request checks is checking the performance, checking swap kernel parameter. Okay, so here is showing about this installation. All these packages have been filled, so just ignore all these and click for this next now. So the final repository is showing this. It is going to be download and disable, so click to finish now. Now it's going to be install the products. You can see it is first of all it is going to prepare, then copy the files, then link binaries, create setup file. So it will take some more time. Till then you can have a cup of tea, then back to this installation. I will show you the complete. Now it's came to 31%. We are still on 70% away. We are still at 30% away from this final installation to complete. During the installation, our first error came here. Run in working target installation make file. This error came in. I try again, but I click on this continue again. Let's move to this and move into the next part. Remaining installation came to the second error, but I am trying to retry it. Maybe it will be does not as again. I think it will be as again. We're trying also, it's not working. So it came again. Just continue and press continue. It will avoid and continue with the remaining installation. So now you can see it's copying the database file. After that it is going to be creating and starting the Oracle instance. After that it's completing the database creation. So we need to wait few more times. Yeah, so here during the installation I'm getting some kind of ignore any. So we need to do not abort here. If you abort here, our installation is going to be cancelled here. Just continue with the ignore here. Our installation process is running up. Okay, so press OK. At least now the time has come. So click OK. Yeah. Okay, so here finally you can see this is our database creation. We need to check the password management. Okay, and then click OK. I need to do something. While click on the management, I got to enter a new password and entering the confirming the same password. Click OK. Password the following is specified. I have been set the password with the upper character, lower character, including numerical words, everything alphabetic with the 8 words of character. I have been set the password. Now you can see the installation process has been completed 100%. The following configuration script should need to be executed. We need to run this script with the both. So I am going to run the copy this one first, and then we need to log in with the root. Here I am going to use a new terminal. Open the terminal, and then I am going to use SEO with the root login. Okay, then type or paste here, and I am going to type the /u. I have been logged in with the root one. Okay, 01/ we need to run this very important and this very mandatory to run, not cl you can see the first command have been changing the permission of inventory. Permission has been executed. Now I'm going to type the second command, slash u01, and then slash app, then slash ora type cl oracle slash product. Then now the second script also I have type, need to press enter. So you can see, so enter the full path name of the local directory. I am just pressing and enter here. So it's creating, so it's created. Now we'll check, we'll click OK now. Thank you for watching Articulate Net video. Please subscribe to Articulate Net video.